Welcome back to my channel, beauties. In today's video I'm going to show you my simple powder foundation routine, so of course if you want to see it, then stay tuned. So first step is to use my color corrector. I'm just blending it under my eyes to cancel out those dark circles, and this is just going to give me a nice even canvas to work with. So now I'm just going in with this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I've been loving this one. It's about 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, and that's because I love a good brighten under eye. But I'm just placing it in all the high points on my face. So I usually like to let it sit for a bit so that it can set. It's easier to blend because it won't move around as much. So that's what I'm doing right now. And just a quick note, my beauty blender sponge is damp. It's always damp. I have never ever used it dry. I like it damp because what it does is, for me, I just find that it just helps the makeup to sink into your skin and help it look that much more natural. Now I set everything with my translucent powder. I'm not baking, I just kind of press it into my skin. Now the star of the show is this Fenty powder. I absolutely love it. It's so lightweight. I do not get any kind of cake face look from it. And honestly, in pictures, I don't know what is in there, but my face just looks so flawless in pictures using this powder. So I'm using a big fluffy brush and kind of just going in circular motions to blend it in. But this is giving me a pretty light coverage, but it was enough for me. And like I said, it still looks really good on camera. So if you haven't tried this powder yet, honestly, I suggest you try it. It's definitely a must-have for me, and I have just been loving it. So because I'm tanned up, my powder shade is a bit off, so I'm just going to go ahead and warm up the skin and chisel out these cheekbones with this bronzer by LYS Beauty. Everything that I'm using is going to be listed down below so you guys can check it out. But yeah, we're just going to add some life back to my skin. Normally, when I'm just using my normal shade, I don't have to do this if I don't want to. So that's the good thing about the powder. Okay, so it's time for some blush. I'm pressing it into my skin, as you can see here. This helps it just to sink into the skin again, and of course have it looking more natural. I don't know if you guys ever notice people with their blush just sitting on their face. Yeah, I don't like that look. So I press everything into my skin. Some of you guys know that my favorite part is highlight, so I have been loving using this Maybelline highlighter. I don't know why I'm so late, but it's so pretty. It's just like this nice natural glow. So I'm having fun with that. Like, look how pretty that looks. And now I'm just using the same bronzer and I'm contouring my nose. I usually use a lighter shade when I'm contouring my nose, but I figure since I'm all bronzed up anyways, it could work, and I didn't think it was that bad. But I also put some bronzer in my cupid's bow area, so it kind of gives me a deeper cupid's bow, which helps me to look like I have more fuller lips. And then I put it underneath my lip as well. So my lip combo today is my Colored Rain Sugar, which is my favorite liquid lipstick. And then I'm just using Max Cork to line my lips. And yeah, I just go back and forth and blend it together. So now we're just going to lock the bead in with this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and then we are good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, for commenting, liking, I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.